What we're presently looking at here is bittersweet. Bittersweet vine is often confused with poison ivy. If you notice though, the leaves are singular on the vine. They don't radiate out of a central axis, and I wouldn't be touching this if this is poison ivy, as you now see. What we're now looking at over here is deadly nightshade. Now, deadly nightshade sometimes is misidentified or confused with poison ivy because the leaves themselves have a back wing, which can commonly be mistaken for poison ivy. See the left and the right? It's all part of the same leaf though, so it's not a separate leaf. That's not poison ivy, that's deadly nightshade. It gives off a purple flower, which develops into a green berry, which turns red. It's a distant cousin of the tomato plant. Here we're looking at Boston ivy. Again, not poison ivy, although similarly situated with 3 leaves. It's a trifoliate, radiates out of a central axis. Notice the 3 leaves. However, if you notice that the serrations on the outside edge is much greater than what you normally find on poison ivy, poison oak. The margins in oak and ivy tend to be either multiple serrate, not singular, or smooth entire, meaning the edge is entirely void of any serrations whatsoever. This is Boston ivy. It's not poisonous. It's commonly misidentified. It's frequently misidentified. Here we're looking at Virginia creeper. Notice you have 5 leaves radiating out of a central axis. Again, easily misidentified because when the plant first emerges, oftentimes it looks just like that. And then as the leaf matures, these 2 little ones back here become wings, just like this one over here does. And that's what confuses people. Here we have poison ivy. Notice the margins are smooth and entire. 3 leaves radiating out of a central axis. This is poison ivy. Beware.